Hi everyone and welcome back. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are back in Tuscany. We have a perfect weather with clear, beautiful skies, ideal to show you today's property. What we're going to tour today is a fantastic restored hamlet located on a hilly position overlooking the gorgeous Val di Chiana hills. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. In the past, around the 1700s, this property was a little farmer's village. They used to live here all together and there were several families. They were here enjoying the simplicity of this place, surrounded by the lush green nature. This place has been then restored partially in 1994, and then the rest has been restored around the year 2000. In the following years, up until today, the property has been taken care of, loved and maintained. At the moment, it is divided into suites and apartments, and it is used as a boutique hotel accommodation business. We are located in a wonderful area in Tuscany. We are close to the border with Umbria and close by to the towns of Castiglion Fiorentino and the Etruscan town of Cortona. Frances Mays lived in these areas, and it is where she got the inspiration to write her very famous book, Under the Tuscan Sun. This area offers a fantastic microclimate with a light breeze and temperature mitigated by the proximity to the Trasimeno Lake. In terms of proximity to the cities and airports, the closest town with services is 5 minutes away. Then we have Castiglion Fiorentino and Cortona, about 50 minutes away. Arezzo is 40 minutes away, and Florence 1 hour and a half away. The property is embedded at the center of its 4.2 hectares of land, which are about 10.4 acres. And it is covered mostly with woodland and beautiful olive trees. They are about 450, and since they are immersed in this fantastic microclimate, they produce an excellent olive oil. As we reach the access to the property, we notice how on my left we find the parking area, whilst as we keep going on this side we find the actual hamlet. Since it is a hamlet, it is made up of several buildings. There is the main house, which is the one you see behind me, which is the largest building. Then there is the second largest building, which is attached to the church of the property. And then there are little annexes all around, which are mostly used as storage rooms, whilst 2 of them are used as pizza ovens. Let's start with the main house. It is 848 square meters internally, which is about 9,100 square feet. It is laid on 3 levels and it has a total of 10 bedrooms and 10 bathrooms. Let's see it inside. As soon as we walk inside, we find this entrance space, which has access on my right to a bedroom, whilst on the left to a service bathroom. In the middle, we get to the reception area. Let's go inside. The home welcomes us straight away into this beautiful living space. These gorgeous original arches are for sure the first thing you notice, but as well there are several other very interesting elements, like this beautiful large fireplace, the terracotta floors, some of these stone details. This area is currently used as a reception space, but if the house gets converted into a private home, this would be a very enjoyable living area. By the sitting space, we have straight access onto this other room, which is currently used for breakfasts and for dinners. As I said before, this is a farmhouse and all of the ground floors were used to keep animals. All around the house, in fact, on the ground level especially, we find some details that suggest that previous use there was for the ground level. In fact, this was to put the food for the animals. The dining area or breakfast area also extends outside under this beautiful loggia, which is perfect for the summer or spring days to enjoy at the same time that fantastic view. Conveniently located right by the dining area, we have the professional kitchen. It is all made out of stainless steel, it is fully equipped, and over there we have a very convenient service bathroom. Right behind me there is the outdoor access, and on this side there is a large tavern used by the staff. Before we go to the first level of this part of the property, I would like to show you the accesses to that first level. So we are now on the other side of that home, and we find over here on my right a space that is used as a laundry area. Through these steps we get to an independent access of one of the suites of the first level, and through these stairs we get to the second access, which is also internal. One of the things that I love the most about this property is that even though it is used as an accommodation business to rent the rooms and the apartments, it really feels like a home. The stairs are really broad, there are some beautiful proportions, and it is full of original elements. As we get to the first level, where we are right now, we notice that it is divided on this side with a suite. Let's go inside and see it. As we get inside, we find this large living space with sitting area and a dining table, also with its own fireplace. Over here, through this beautiful stone doorway, we get into one of the bedrooms with its own bathroom. And right beside, we get to the second larger bedroom, which would be the master bedroom. It is super spacious. On this side we overlook the beautiful green Tuscan landscapes, and through this door there is a large bathroom. Right beside the first suite we have the access to a second independent bedroom with its own ensuite bathroom. And on this side, as we keep going, we get to another suite, but it can actually be divided into independent rooms as well. In fact, over here we find the first bedroom with its own bathroom that can be independent, or it can be unified by opening the door to the rest. By closing this door, all of this part becomes an independent suite with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, together with the bedroom I've just shown you. So that bedroom is over there. Right behind me there is a bathroom. On my left we get to another little cozy sitting area with a single bedroom on the left, and on the right we get to this other space, which is very nice with its own fireplace, and over here it has its own independent access, which was the second staircase. I'm sure you remember I showed you earlier. On my right, finally, we have the last and third bedroom of the suite. Very bright. To get to the last floor, we have the stairway access on this side. There are these beautiful stone stairs that go upstairs, and there are currently 2 apartments which are used by the owners to live here. And there is a total of 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. Now that we're done with the interior spaces of the main house, I would like to mention these gorgeous outdoor areas. They are mostly terraced and mostly covered with this beautiful terracotta. On this side we find this stone wall, rustic looking, it's beautiful, and it overlooks this gorgeous Tuscan landscape. I now would like to show you the swimming pool on the lower terrace. Let's go and have a look. Have a look at this beautiful 8 by 4 meters swimming pool, which is surrounded by all of this gorgeous, lush nature. I'm glad I'm showing you this property right now to you guys, because the summer is about to arrive and this beautiful nature really brings out the best out of this place. This is nonetheless the perfect place to relax in the warmer seasons. Let's now have a look at the other large building of the property. It is attached on a side to the church of the property, which is right behind me. And you can notice up there on the upper window, it says 1712, which is the date it was dating back to. It needs to be fully restored, but it is indeed beautiful. Attached to the church, we have this building, which is where the priest used to live in the past. It is laid on 3 levels, with the lower level used as a storage space. And let's now have a look at the other 2. As we walk inside, you notice how there are these really nice, large and broad spaces, which makes the conversion to a private property very simple. On this side we get to one of the bedrooms. Over here there is a little sitting area with bathroom on this side, and here we pass through the actual bedroom. Have a look how spacious and full of light. Then the ground level floor keeps going, and on my left we get to another one of the bedrooms. It is a suite. It has this beautiful sitting area with fireplace over there, a bathroom, a shower, and on this side, which is the other corner of the property, we find another large and generous bedroom. Finally, on this other part, we get to this entrance space, always full of light. On my right, we find the bathroom with shower, and over here we find what is currently a kitchen, but it has a sofa bed, so it could become also a bedroom. And on this side it has the independent access onto the little garden with access onto the front side of the church we've seen earlier. On the upper floor of this property, we find another large bedroom and its own bathroom. We've now gotten to the end of today's property tour, and I would like to leave you with a few words from Francis Mayer's book. To sell is to walk away from a cluster of memories, and to buy is to choose where the future will take place. I hope this property made you feel at home, and please, before I leave you, subscribe to our channel for new exciting homes every week. Until next time, ciao!